Hello craft heroes! Here's what the finished 2 wings of the turkey looks like. Now let's crochet this section together using khaki yarn. We will need to start with magic ring and work 4 single crochet for round 1, 14 stitches in total. Wrap this working yarn around your left hand, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and wrap the yarn once around your pinky from front to back. Bring the yarn in front of your pinky and ring finger, so the yarn now runs across the front of your hand. Bring the yarn backward again and wrap it around your index and middle fingers together, moving from back to front so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Hold the crossover point of the X with your thumb and middle finger to secure it. You can see that there are 2 loops on your fingers. Insert hook under the first loop. Pull the working yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a new loop on hook yarn over by bringing the hook under and over the yarn to catch it. Then pull through the loop on the hook. Pull tight. So we got 1 adjustable magic ring. Now, you can slip the magic ring off your index and middle fingers and wrapping the yarn around your index finger from back to front with the magic ring facing you. The ring finger rests inside the magic ring. Hold the magic ring with your thumb and middle finger. Next, we need to work 4 single crochet. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring and bring the hook under and then over the working yarn. Then pull your hook parallel to your body and through the hole of the magic ring. See to loops on hook yarn over by catching the yarn with your hook tip and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape at the top of the stitch. Place your stitch marker through both top loops of the V stitch to mark the first stitch of the round one, so you can easily see where the round begins. Next, we need to work the 2nd single crochet. Yarn over and pull yarn through the hole of the magic ring. See 2 loops on hook yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So we have completed the 2nd single crochet. For the 3rd single crochet, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. Yarn over again and pull yarn through these 2 loops to completed the 3rd single crochet. Now work the last single crochet. See 4 stitches. If you have more than 4 stitches, undo them until you count 4 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Now we need to work a slip stitch at the end of round 1 to join and close the round. Remove the stitch marker. Insert hook under both loops of the marking stitch. Make sure the hook goes under those 2 strands of yarn that look like a horizontal V. For round 2, we need to work 2 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 6 stitches in total. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook, work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the marked stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. We need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. See 3 stitches, work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Now we have finished the second sequence. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch and insert hook into the marking stitch to work. 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we have finished round 2, and as you complete each round, make it a habit to count stitches from the marked stitch. This is especially helpful for beginners to maintain accuracy and prevent the piece from becoming misshapen later. Here, the stitches look more like small equals bars on the wrong side. Turn the piece inside out to the right side and keep the V-shaped stitches on this side facing you. Rounds 3 and 4 follow the exact same pattern rule as round 2. Increase round a combination of a certain number of single crochet stitches, followed by an increase. Round 5 follows the same pattern rule as round 7 in the body section of our previous tutorial. Single crochet round. Single crochet into each stitch once to stabilize the shape. Rounds 3 to 5 are easy to follow once you've understood the pattern logic. You've got this. Pause the video and come back when you finish them. This is the finished piece of the wing after we completed rounds 3 to 5. For round 6, we need to work 3 sequences of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, 9 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch and 1 single crochet again. Now we need to work 1 decrease. Insert hook into the front loop of the next stitch and hook into the front loop of the stitch. After that, see 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 decrease. Finished 1 sequence of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease. See 3 stitches. Continue with 2 single crochet next, and 1 decrease. Insert hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 decrease. Finish 2 sequences for the third sequence. 2 single crochet first, and 1 decrease. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 6. For round 7, we will close the opening, fold the piece flat, and carefully align the front and back edges, making sure the stitches line up evenly on both sides. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning Insert your hook into both the first stitch and the last stitch of the piece to work one single crochet. Yarn over and pull through to stitches. Then complete one single crochet. Mark this stitch for the second single crochet. Work it into the next pair of aligned stitches. Complete this single crochet to join them together. Work the third single crochet into the next pair of aligned stitches. And work the fourth single crochet in the next pair of aligned stitches to close the opening. See 4 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Remove the stitch marker. Now we have finished one wing of turkey. We need to crochet another wing in the same way. Finish 2 wing pieces of the turkey.